సింధు సహా ఒలింపిక్ విజేతలను క్రికెట్ దిగ్గజం సచిన్ తెందుల్కర్ సన్మానించనున్నారు. వారికి దాదాపు 50 లక్షల విలువ చేసే BMW కార్లను బహుకరించనున్నారు. దీనికోసం ఆయన హైదరాబాద్లోని గోపిచంద్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ అకాడమీకి చేరుకున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ధర చూద్దాం.
Post which the media will have to relocate themselves to where the cards are standing. I will make an announcement at the same time so there won't be any ambiguity. After which there will be a photo op and a handover of the keys, which will conclude the proceedings for the day. Now that we have that out of the way, I would like to introduce the stage. First we have our very own Hyderabadi lass, a first-time Olympian silver medalist in female singles badminton, and the first female silver medalist from India, PV Sindhu. Can I hear a big round of applause, people? Next we have, hailing from Haryana, the warrior wrestler, a first-time Olympian as well, the bronze medalist in women's wrestling in the category of 58 kg, Sakshi Malik. We also have with us on stage the Prudhanova princess. We might have missed the medal by 0.01 difference, but she's still a champion in our hearts. The first gymnast from India to qualify after 52 years, Deepa Karmakar. Last but not the least, an all-England champion, the brains and the passion behind this academy, the coach and the mentor, and the secret ingredient behind the spectacular success of the sport of badminton in our cricket-loving nation. This man has given another sport to root for, Pullela Gopichand. I would also like to acknowledge a few of the VIP guests in the audience. We have the icon who needs no introduction, the legend, the god of cricket, and the goodwill ambassador for the athletes at the Olympics Rio 2016. And he continues to be a part of the journey of the Olympic champions by celebrating with them today. So Hyderabad, please give a warm welcome to the master blaster Sachin Tendulkar. The next gentleman I'm about to introduce is someone who I truly believe should invest in an automobile dealership. The biggest mascot of sport in the state of Telangana and his gift of choice for any sports achievement is a car. I give you the president of the Hyderabad Badminton Association and the vice president of the Telangana Badminton Association, Mr. V. Chamundeshwar. I would also like to take a moment to acknowledge Mr. Prasad Nimagada, who is not here with us today because of another engagement, but his immense generosity was instrumental in building the state-of-the-art academy with world-class infrastructure. So can I please hear a big round of applause for Mr. Prasad Nimagada. I would also like to thank our sponsors, Mr. Yarineni Naveen, Mr. Tatineni Srinivas, Mr. Mannan and Mr. Charamala Sethi Anil from Greenco. Now the moment we've all been eagerly awaiting, I'd like to call upon Sindhu to say a few words about her Olympic journey so far.
Good morning everybody, and it's a great privilege to be here today. And I would first of all like to thank Sachin sir and Shamini sir for gifting me a car. And I would like to say you something that when I gifted me the first car, Swift Desire, Sachin sir told me that definitely if you get an Olympic medal, he would definitely give me another car, and that happened today. So I'm very thankful to you, sir. And yes, I'm really very thankful to everybody because of your blessings I'm here today. And I think overall it's my dream and it has come true that I'll have to get an Olympic medal, and I'm very thankful to my coach because my whole journey till now I was with him, and pleasure to be here today. And I would like to thank everybody out there. I would like to thank everybody out there, and I think definitely in the upcoming tournament, definitely I will get laurels to the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sindhu. Fantastic words. You know, it's the toughest thing for a sportsman to stand on stage and say a few things, but they do more fantastic feats than that. They win for our country. So give it up, ladies and gentlemen. PV Sindhu. I would now like to invite Sakshi Malik to say a few words about her time in the Olympics.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, अकेली गई थी और अब पूरा इंडिया मेरे साथ है, तो आप ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहें कि मैं टोक्यो में भी ब्रॉन्ज को गोल्ड में बदल दूं। और थैंक यू JSW, इंडियन रेलवे, माय पेरेंट्स, थैंक यू सचिन सर फॉर ऑनर मी हियर, थैंक यू सो मच। और एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरा भाई आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन है, मेरी फैमिली के साथ एक फोटो जरूर ले
Thank you so much, Sakshi. I'm sure we'll see the gold at the next Olympics. I would now like to invite Deepa Karmakar to say a few words.
गुड मॉर्निंग, थैंक यू सो मच। बिना मेडल के भी इतना मुझे सपोर्ट मिल रहा है। थैंक यू सचिन सर, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
So I'm going to go with a cliche now. They say behind every successful man there's a woman, but behind this successful silver medalist there's a man. The coach, Pullela Gopichand. May I request you to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Thank you, Ramya. First of all, would like to congratulate the three ladies on stage. I think no time before has the nation's pride been saved more than what these three ladies have done. Fantastic effort. I think what KTR said the other day, I think save the girl child was the norm, but it's, I think, saved by the girl child is what I would think. I think, thank you very much for keeping our honor and pride, and congratulations on the fantastic effort. All three of these medals are nothing less than the gold, and congratulations to all of you. Years ago, when this journey started, I think I spoke about winning a gold medal or a medal at the Olympics, not a gold medal. I said we would win a medal at the Olympics, and many people laughed. And thanks to one person who trusted and believed that this was possible. Over a breakfast, Nimagada Prasad offered help, and that's how this academy started. I think a huge support for him, from him. Thank you very much for that. His daughter's getting married today, so he's not here. Best wishes to him, and thank you, Prasad Garu, for the help, which when nobody trusted me, I think you trusted me. Thank you very much. Would like to thank him for this wonderful support at that point of time. Over the years, last time we had a bronze. We came here, we celebrated the bronze. Today, thanks to Sindhu's and that effort, we are here with the silver. And Sachin was there last time presenting the car. Chamandi, my good friend, he has done about, I think, 13 to 14 cars for various athletes. Thank you for the kind of support. It's not only, I think it's not only the support which comes out in front of us in terms of the cars, but I think whenever somebody needs a kneecap or a shoe or an insole, I think he's always there to help. Thank you, Chamandi, for that effort. And Sachin, your words of encouragement ever, in the sense that the Olympics, you were there and you spent those moments prior to the Olympics, during the Olympics, and post the Olympics. I think thank you very much. You're a great ambassador for our sport in general, and your support is greatly appreciated. We'd also like to thank all our sponsors who have gifted these cars. I'm sure all of us here will enjoy these this, and hopefully this will drive us to perform better in the future. To the entire media and our well-wishers and the entire academy staff, I think hugely, it's been a great support from all of you. I think I'm here on stage, but this is only the face, the huge amount of effort which all of my coaches, my physios, my trainers, all of them have put is something phenomenal. Thank you very much, all of you. I think without your support, to all of the people who help us to keep this place so clean, to the entire academy, I think we owe a lot to you, and such medals just give us the kind of motivation to push harder. Thank you very much to the support all of you have given, to the government, to SAI, to the entire media fraternity. I think just would say very grateful that you've put us in this position. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gopi. Your words, as always, are inspirational. Now, the Gopichand Academy would like to give a token of appreciation to the 3 Olympians. I would like to call on stage Gopi's mom to give a token of appreciation to Sakshi Malik. Next, I would like to call on stage Gopi's sister to give a token of appreciation to Deepa Karmakar. Last but not the least, a former Olympian, Lakshmi Polera, and the wife of Mr. Gopi Chand will be presenting a token of appreciation to P.V. Sindhu. Sorry, Gopi, we don't have a chain for you. I would like to ask the media to relocate to the staging area where the cars are kept. We will be following you shortly. सारे मीडिया वालों प्लीज नीचे चली जाइए गाड़ियों के पास. फोटो ऑफ अभी 5 मिनट में शुरू होने वाला है. प्लीज सब कर लीजिए.
आप लोग पूरे नीचे चले जाओ. अभी हम लोग सब लोग नीचे ही आएंगे, तो पहले आप चले जाओ फिर हम आएंगे.
I come to the demand we have Sachin Tendulkar on stage for a photo opportunity with the athletes. The media, please relocate to the staging area. Please, ladies and gentlemen.
It's their moment and I should not be saying much. On behalf of the entire nation, I can say that, all these great sportsmen who are standing next to me have brought laurels to our nation. We've supported them wholeheartedly, so I'd like to also thank everyone who's prayed for them, who's blessed them, because those are the things which an athlete looks out. Your preparation during that, you sacrifice so many things. Like we just got to know that she was not allowed to eat certain things. They had to keep their phones aside so that they could focus. In fact, I knew when I met them in Rio that they were not accessible to anyone. Such was the focus. So we are extremely proud of you. और जो आपने अभी कहा कि ना आपका ब्रॉन्ज जल्दी से जल्दी गोल्ड में होगा और आपका भी सिल्वर और आपके पास भी मेडल होगा. We all are praying for you and we will all support you. This is a wonderful moment for Indian sport, and I'm sure it doesn't stop here. The journey begins here, and we'll all be joining that journey, and we'll all be there to support you, and also you will keep us, keep giving us number of occasions to celebrate, and this is one moment where the entire nation is happy and jumping with joy. There are greater things to come, and I'm sure we will be there to support you and applaud every little thing that you do. Gopi, you've been wonderful. He's a coach who's always in the background, and I really like that quality. I think you are a tremendous role model. You obviously, when you played, you were an active badminton player. Everyone looked up to you. You've gone notch higher now, Gopi. We all admire you. You're a real hero, and we need your guidance in getting more medals. And then various coaches, they all have contributed in some or the other manner. So I would want to thank them here as well. So, and above all, the media. So thank you very much.